Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome sa Dudes Store Tapsa Paintao. The championship match between Davao Pioneers and Davao Durians. Volleyball Girls Elementary. The finals. Baliksa. Dudes Store tama. Ang ulo ni John Mar, shout out. Shout out ulo ni John Mar Laap.
Ay, sorry.
Diyos ko, kakulba na daw ibo ni Ma'am Roxanne na Nepa. Ma'am, kulba na gyud kayo, ma'am. Mag-inom daan mong mga maintenance dira. Tapan mong mga tubig dira. Kay this is it, pansit na ang finals. Davao del Norte versus Davao City. OMG, ito ni Ma'am Chopay Simbaon Fernandez. Say, sir. Sir? Digo, sir, o... Ma'am, unsa gani, Ma'am Digo, Panabo and Digo, sir. Fighting for third. Ugma pa, sir, championship. Yes, morning. Morning, sir. Kildi ang lalaki. Ala, so good na.
This is it, the battle.
This is his Lord.
Champion.
This is his Lord. This is his Lord.
Who will be the champion for this year? And will go to kalarong magbansa
in Ilocos.
Ilocos Norte.
Ilocos Norte ba, ma'am? Dili Ilocos Sur?
Norte.
Norte de Aiso. Woo! Yoo! Syagit na.
Davao City or is it
Davao
Del
del Norte. Last year, sila po ni naglaban last year.
Davao City and Davao del Norte.
Ah.
Inday pe. Atong nepa.
Okay, mag-start na ang championship match. Nagkagulo-gulo na din sa Davao del Norte Sports and Tourism Complex. Ayan, the finals. Sino kaya ang mag-champion this year?
Tanghaling champion for 2025.
Yes, Davao City or Davao del Norte? From Thailand? No, from Thailand.
Di ba may player coming from your area?
Yes,
That's
from San Isidro.
San Isidro. Who
And
is that player?
Aklo.
Aklo.
And si sa Tutambis, number 12, Sam New Corellia.
From
Yes.
Australia.
And number 23 from Santo Tomas.
Number
Yeah.
23 from Santo Tomas.
Yes, ma'am.
Tambis and
Arsenal.
Arsenal from-
And Arsenal from Santo Tomas.
Arsenal is also from Santo
Yeah.
Tomas. Okay.
Kasi Arsenal is from Santo Tomas, Tambis from New Corellia, Aklo from San Isidro. Yan. And the rest from Talaingod.
There are 3
Additional players.
additional players out of 12 coming from Talaingan.
Yeah.
And what will happen, Sir Tres, if one team is the winner? 15 na sila. So what will happen to the additional na naman?
Kung mag-champion,
Alam mo,
pwede-
mag-champion na isang
ang
team.
isang team, pwede sila mag-pick up of additional 3 players from other division, from other teams. Pero ang ilahang i-replacean, ma'am, is the additional players from other teams sa division level pa lang. Dili siya itanggalon ang core players sa katong old team, sa katong champion.
Composed of 12
12,
players
oo.
will not be removed.
Yes, ma'am.
But the one that will be removed are those additional
Those are additional, yes, ma'am. Ay! Ay!
Miscommunication between the players of Talaingon and then of Davao Pioneers.
First score, Davao City got the first score of this championship match. Good service. Ay, inside. Inside, 2-0. Okay.
Basta championship game, expect that the gym is loaded by
Yeah,
viewers.
the viewers. Ay! Service ace again. 3 service aces. 3-0 ang score, Davao City. Okay, mag-service ace pa ba? Very solid, very strong service coming from Davao City jersey number 15. Ay. Another service ace. Wala pa, nag-adjust pa ang kuan. Kupunan ng Davao del Norte. So 4-0 ang score.
Number serving. Ilang aces na yun?
Four aces. Five service aces. So strong service from jersey number 15.
Grabe ka strong ang service. But who knows, makabawi pa ang Pioneers.
Ano pa ni kanang
First
ginatawag
set.
pa, wala pa nag-init. Hindi pa nag-init. Okay, same. Okay, score. Stabnor score. Papainit pa ng papainit yung laban. Ayan. Jersey number 3. Score is 1-5.
Now serving Davao del Norte. Jersey number 3 is that the team captain?
The team captain, yes ma'am. Okay, free ball. Away, away. Away. So, 2-3. 2-3 ang score. Punong-puno ang training center sa Davao del Norte. Score is 5-2. Service. Good service. Open spike. Okay, receive. Oh, aklo. Okay. Di, palo. Okay. Isa. Oh, palo. Oh, aklo. Miss aklo from San Isidro. Yes, successful attack. Yes. A good attack by Aklo. Yeah. From San Isidro.
Davao Pioneers.
Yes, from Linaw Elementary School. Linaw Elementary School, yeah.
Is that your school?
No.
Ikaw ba ang principal doon?
No, hindi. Yung isa, si ma'am. An adjacent school from my school.
Okay, near to your school.
Away!
Another score for Davao del Norte.
Score is 4-5. Isa na lang ang lamang. Yes, 5-4. Good service. Another service ace. Score is tie. Tie score. Nakabawi pa ng service ace. Ang number... Yeah. 5 all. It's a tie. It's a batikulon. Ay. Away, long ball. Six, 5 ang score. Davao City lamang, 1 point. Isa. Palua. Inside, away. 7-5, Calzada out. So wide. Motora Arsenal. Layo. Arsenal again, Arsenal. Hook. Lisod. Yeah. Kani kay championship yun. Muna ang ginatawag na championship game. 6-7 ang score. Lamang Davao City. Okay. 7 all. 7 all. Seven all serving Arsenal jersey number 23 of Davao del Norte. Suara. Oh, Palua. Oh! Good spike by Aklo. Aklo. Ano na, nagbasa na ko ang palad, ma'am. Nasingot.
Singwit.
Oh. Good. Up. 8-all, 8-all. Ang sunod, ani na po, lalaki na po, championship.
Viewers, you have how many?
119 or 18,000 viewers.
18,000.
Yes. Free ball. Black lang, black.
Nakakatakot ang hit ni 2023 ha. Lalo na pag tumalo na.
Matangkad, matangkad, matangkad.
Davao del Norte parents, you pray, we will pray for the victory of our team.
The score is 9-8. Lamang Davao City, Davao Dorians. Oh, hatag lang. Ay. Ay. Pasada. Tabang-tabang.
Dapat matambakan Davao del Norte, ano? Kasi mahirap pag matambakan, mahirap pawiin. What do you think?
Score is 10-8. Yes, tama ma'am. Dapat dili yun siya magpatambak yun. Pugong yun, pugong kay...
Pugong yun.
Oo.
Because one of your expertise is to do assessment.
Yes. Likod. Away.
Sa height kasi, in terms of height of the players, parang
Malamang,
may
lamang, ah?
May lamang ng konti.
Lamang konti ang Davao kay
Davao
Pasasa.
Dorians.
Oo. Pero sa skills.
Sa skills,
oo,
what do you
medyo,
think?
oo, kana,
Medyo,
laban-laban. Oo. Paano na lang ni, paghahiay na lang ni og kasing-kasing ma'am kung maratol ka,
Ano yan? Ano yan?
sinog nga
Ang
na.
timer coach ng palaro, Sir Justin Singh. Pag manatan ka,
Oo, pag maratal ka, pildi ka. Pag nagbigay. So dapat,
Pag matibay ang
ang drive
dibdib
nimo,
mo.
oo, drive nimo to win. Mo na.
okay.
Dapat na.
That's one of your advice.
Yes. Oh. Open. Ay.
Mahirap kasi pag nakakuna ng 4 or 5 or 6 points, parang sa ating, according to our experience, diba mahirap siya habulin. Unless na lang yun, the luck is given to you by God Almighty the Father, na always touch or what sa service.
May mga service aces. O bisag out na, kuhaon gihapon sa kalaban. O marag spray
Especially
mo.
the libero.
Yes. Ano lang siya.
May hashtag ka na naman dyan. Especially the libero. Importante kasi sa team ang libero.
Oo.
The libero, plays a crucial role in the game, di ba?
Yes ma'am. Pero ana diri si Sir Roger Gunting ma'am nga go Davnur Bonal daw.
From where is Sir Richard?
From teacher or coach ni Aklo na jersey number 18 niya sa division meet.
Hi sir,
Hi, sir.
please pray for Davnor.
Yes.
Hi guys, you might wonder why is it that we are talking of the Davnor because we came from Davao del Norte and we, di ba hindi naman sinabing mag-neutral ang vlog.
Pero mag-support lang gihapon ta sa kuan sa Davao City.
My
Okay,
friend is
inside.
coming from Davao City. At I am from Davao del Norte. Sabi ko, separate muna tayo.
Gani. Pero kung kinsa magdaog ani ma'am will represent the Davao region. So ato Davao region to the national. Yes.
To the national. And we will be supporting
Support,
the players
yes.
also. Because if Davao Dorian will win,
We will support Davao Dorian.
Dorian.
Depende sa, it depends upon the situation, chart. Depende sa coach if they want to
Pick
get
up
the
or
other
get.
player to pick up the other players from other team, from other division. But if dili sila gusto, so nasa ila ang discretion if mag-pick up or
So
not.
kung i-retain kanilang players talaga
Okay,
na
okay po.
15.
Okay po siya.
Okay. So that's the option of the winning team.
And of course, with the recommendation of the tournament manager.
Sir Mike.
But the
Assistant-
tournament manager will suggest only.
Only.
Recommend. If ang coach
They will follow
or not.
whatever the suggestion of the tournament manager.
Yes, ma'am. Away. Score is 10-15. Lamang og 5 points ang Davao Dorians. Makabawi pa ang Davnor.
Now serving Davao del Norte, jersey number
18, Aklo.
Where's that?
Ay!
That's Pride of...
So wala na. Pride of
San Isidro.
Yes, San Isidro, particularly Linaw Elementary
Linaw
School in
Elementary.
Barangay Linaw. Yan.
Linaw Elementary School, keep on training a child.
Yes, congratulations. Nakaabot sa Dabra.
For the faculties and the head of Linaw.
Yes,
Elementary
Sir Robert Sabay-Sabay, ang principal sa Linaw Elementary School. Hello, Sir Robert. Okay. Ay, fine. And then also, recognize the effort of their trainer, Sir Roji Abordo,
Davao City.
sa Linaw Elementary School.
Okay,
Yeah.
we need to recognize the effort, no? The effort and the skills of the trainers.
Sir Roji.
Who give much contribution to the skills and abilities of the player.
Player. Yeah.
If without the trainer, what will happen?
Wala nga.
That's nga.
Nga.
Why nga?
Gutom. Igo na tigsalo lang og bola.
Medyo interesting na joke because kung makapugna ang dibdib ni Sir Jen.
Yes. Pero ang layo na ng score, Mamueng.
Oh my gosh.
Your number is
That's my number 19.
Score ng Davao
Thank
City
you.
while the Davao del Norte is 10.
Number 19, Maria Cariaga.
19-11.
My favorite
Number sa loto?
Yes. Pwede rin tayaan doon sa last ko. But don't forget on May 12. Dami ko number na binigay, no?
Dami nga.
Pinagtugtog nyo na lang baka manalo kayo sa loto. Buha pa rin. Baka
Sige.
Davnor.
Ay, dikit. Isa-isa.
May we know is the trainer of Davao
Bigay the
City.
Arsenal.
Of Davao Dorians. You know the trainer?
No, ay si Sir.
Of Lloyd.
I forgot the name. He's my friend.
Oh,
Yeah.
from Davao City. I think that big man there.
Yes,
But
yes.
we don't know the name. You know the name?
I forgot the name. Yeah, ma'am.
Kasi basta hindi siya mag-constant official, no?
Yes.
Nakakalimutan mo, no?
Yes.
Unless palagi mo siya
Palagi,
nakikita
yes.
at nagkakamusta. Sa Kalka. Yan yung naman ang Davao City.
May mga Davao side.
All the 6 players with height.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
Compared to ours.
Yeah.
Then-
The smaller,
Yeah.
our smaller
Then
players that we
the
have.
age Of Davao City players, I think almost 12
Oh,
na.
yeah.
While ours in Davao del Norte, I think may 10 years old pa tayo dyan na player.
Yeah.
That's great.
10 or 11. I don't know. What's the grade of that?
Maybe 9 or 10. I don't know what's the age of the libero. Number 1.
Yeah. Sige, basta mauna na siya.
Nakakasitin sila sa height. Sa
Yeah.
edad.
Oo.
Maybe medyo okay lang lumalaban din naman ang Davao del Norte.
Lumalaban. Pero sabi ni Sir Yuki GPH, fly number 23 daw. Fly number 23. 23 ng Davao City.
That's
Davao
Kabanyog.
Yeah,
23
Banyog.
of Davao City, Kabanyog. Ano daw yan?
Kabanyog. Fly
Is
daw,
it-
fly daw.
Fly high.
Yes.
So you came from
Cheering up,
Davao.
cheer up. Yeah.
You're okay. Welcome po dito yung mga cheerer and audience ng Davao City.
Yan.
Davao Dorians.
Davao Dorians. Laban Davnor, sabi naman ni Nadsma Odi.
From where?
I don't know,
May
basta
we know
Davnor.
from where na place?
Go Davnor, ingon ni Ate Arlene Tuyor Agunod of Carmen National High School, the master
kasi Ma'am
teacher.
Tuyor.
Yeah.
I know her.
You know her?
Yeah.
Ay, drop. Good, save by the libero. Open, follow, number, good dig. Ope, ay back row, attack. Ayan, sa uno. Hop, back, good.
What a hit by jersey number 1 of Davao Dorians.
Dorian. Para namang mga high school na maglaro yung ano,
That's what I am
kabataan.
talking a while ago. Parang high school na talaga maglaro.
Yes.
Sa serve pa lang.
Ang lakas.
Yeah. I think the player of Davao City, Davao Dorians are all in grade 6. What do you think?
Yes.
Is it
I
the
think
last
so.
season of playing?
I don't know. I have no idea about the age
But
of
looking
the...
at the
height, the body. Yeah.
the height and the skills and the abilities and the thinking.
They're matured already.
No,
Yeah, they are... kasi tawag anak mo,
Yeah.
basta...
And the strength.
And the strength. They are matured on court.
It's
They are well
25
trained.
better.
I think they're exposed to different competition. That's why they are matured in court.
Yeah. It's maybe because they started playing at the grade 3.
Yeah, the
Grade
young,
3, grade
they are
4, grade 5
younger.
now that this is their time
Yeah, so
to
we
play in
know.
the court.
Set 1 goes to Davao Dorian.
Set 1 goes to Davao Dorians. Davao del Norte, bawi tayo.
Okay. Kalami sa mga commentator diri nga side, uy. Magsunggo-sunggo naman taan. Humana ang boys elementary
Yes, sir.
sir. Next ang ato ang secondary.
Oh, si Sir John.
There's
Dili sir.
Sir John Mar, naay VIP diri pakis-pirma
Oh,
din.
VIP din si Sir.
So latin na ngalan kay layo siya.
I-focus natin ang Davao del Norte, Sir Jess.
Sige. Okay.
Then we will focus also Davao City.
Yeah.
Governor train pa tayo. Don't give up.
Train.
Yeah. All
Hindi tayo
schools,
susuko.
Yeah, all schools.
Bukas agad mag-start na tayo ng training.
We need to
Para
rest.
saan pa ba?
We need to rest pa na.
How about Davao City? Ayan. Parang nag-meditate lang naman. So ang daming tao, ano? Punong-puno ang training center sa Davao del Norte.
Maybe we can focus the regional director.
Regional director.
Our regional director is very supportive and sports-minded.
Si RD, andito naman si RD, di ba?
That's RD, the one, yan ba yan? Yung nakasalamin ito.
Yeah.
That's RD.
Si
The
RD.
sports-minded regional director.
Yes. Then si Sir Solitario.
Where's Sir Solitario?
Ari sa right side of our RD.
May
in the right
Dabaweños
side.
Disciplinado
Yes.
na t-shirt.
Yes.
That's Sir Solitario.
And Sir Ramel M. Pilo, our former Chief SGOD here in Davao del Norte, but presently he is
Assigned in Davao City.
assigned in Davao Occidental.
Occidental. Ay,
They're
Sir Solitario.
Assistant Schools Division Superintendent in Occidental. Yeah.
You please focus the school.
Back to that.
Naranasan din natin minsan, no? Naging talunan.
Yes.
Di ba, nagkalaban tayo sa
Yeah,
court.
sa division meet.
Natalo kita.
Natalo din naman kita sa umpisa, sa unang-unang laban. Tie score. It's a tie.
It's a tie.
It's a batikolon.
palaro ka talaga.
It's a kidney.
I mean, times pala
Yeah.
that twice.
That time that I have plenty of time, a lot of time to train
And
my
plenty of
pupils.
money to support the
Yes. But during that time, it was 2013. Yeah, but
Doon tayo nagkakilala. O yes,
Yeah.
as the young coach.
yes. Medyo mahina na akunting time oras na lang ang pag-train ko because I was busy that time because I was promoted as basta alam mo na may promotion. So, may maraming responsibilidad na dapat asikasuhin.
Ilang years mo na hinawakan ang
Seven
champion?
years.
Pero nung nakikita ko,
Okay lang, tapos na yon. Okay, Tapatis, I had experience.
A good side.
Yeah, for
And
7
you
years.
learned a lot.
Yes.
That's why it gives you a big factor to be the assistant tournament manager.
Yeah,
But
it's an honor. It's an honor for me to be an assistant tournament manager.
and you're our tournament manager also every time, every division meet, right?
Yeah. Thank you for the support always.
I
Amboy.
always. Mga dugong volleyball.
Dugong volleyball, yeah. Volleyball is life.
Yeah.
Ay!
One score.
It's okay. It's alright. Go, go, go.
Focus the libero of Davao del Norte.
Davao del Norte, the libero. This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Maybe pa, oo. I
Ah,
don't know.
ah.
Grade 4, grade 5.
Oh, yeah.
Then,
Oh.
Walang libero ng Davao City.
Ay, yeah. No libero. Ay, they have 2 liberos.
Pero hindi nila pinasok.
Yeah.
Okay. But if we observe the faces and the age of the libero of Davao City, they
They
are
are
more
all
mature
mature.
compared to the libero.
So, the
Malakas
contestants-
doon lagi sa pamatibay loob ng mga parents and supporters of Davao. Why? There is a great number, yung number ba sa score. The factor is the maturity
Maturity,
of the
yeah,
player.
of the players. That's very important.
The height,
The height
the
and
grade
maturity,
level,
yeah. The age.
Skills can be improved, di ba?
Yes.
But the maturity of the mind, malaking factor yun.
Yeah. So the score is 1-5 in favor of Davao Durians. This is second set.
Ano ba to? 3 out of 5?
Two out of three.
2 out of 3.
In elementary, 2 out of 3 only. But in the secondary, in championship match,
3 out of
is
5.
3 out of 5.
So meaning sa set 1, nanalo ng Davao Dorians.
Pag manalo sila,
so there will be no
sila
more
na ang
set to
champion.
play.
Yan. Pag, pag nanalo ang Davao del Norte, sa second set, pag nanalo ang Davao del Norte, so mayroon pa tayong another set.
That is a decision set.
This is set.
Hi viewers, please send star po for the vlogs. For Sir Jesse's vlogs. Don't start at 2.0.
Medyo pressure na talaga yung Davao del Norte, ma'am, kahit yung servisyo di napapasok.
Yun na din eh. Cheer up, Davnor!
So the score is 2-6.
Lamang po kasi talaga ang Davao City eh. Sa score. A matter of 4. 4 no? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah. 4.
4 ang hahabulin ng Davnor. Kaya pa yan.
Kaya pa yan. Huwag bibitaw. Oh. Ayan, may magandang block. Nakuha yung block. Ang tatangkad naman ni number 23, kaya block siya ni number 2 ng Davao del Norte, Nepa.
Nepa.
Ayan.
Shout out sa parents ni Nepa. I think Obi and Janet of Talaingon. Your daughter is performing well.
We know that the mommy of
Yeah.
Nepa, ay!
And you not observe the movements of Davao Dorians. The way they receives the ball. Gosh.
Out number 5, in number 18. Pasok na naman si Aklo. Pinasok.
Importante is umabot sa championship game.
Yeah.
Manalo matalo.
Okay na. First runner-up is not bad.
Yeah. Pinaghirapan din yun.
Pag pumasok kayo sa finals, okay na yan. Achievement na yan. Malaking achievement.
na yan.
Yes. Kahit naging champion ka lang sa division nyo at ikaw ang mag-represent ng Davao
Del Norte.
Yeah, Del Norte.
It's a big factor and a big
Big
pride for a
achievement.
place.
Yes.
At saka yung ma-pick up ka, di ba?
Oo.
I mean, yung ma-invite ka to join the team.
Isang malaking experience. Experience na lang na i-cherish mo yan hanggang buhay.
Forever.
Yeah, forever.
And mamimiss mo yan pag nasa college or
Yeah.
high school ka na, usually
Or
sa
may
college.
trabaho ka na.
Yes.
Yeah.
That once in my life, laman ako ng court na yan, naglaro ako for the certain place, di ba?
Yes. Ay! Nagluya nagluya na ang kuan, nagluya naman ang Davnor. Laban Davnor. Para lami ato ang laban karon. 9-3 ang score.
A matter of 6 points.
6 points.
Kaya pa yan, pag binigay sa team ang swerte.
Oh, away.
Lalo na yan, pag always ang service is out.
Yes.
That's the one.
Kumbag, as a coach before, ma'am, ano ba? Yung ang kagustuhan mo ba, kahit kayo ay matalo, at least yung may laban,
Yung lumaban,
lumaban
talaga.
ka.
Until
Oo.
the end.
Oo, yeah.
Ayun siya.
Yung ayaw mong
Hindi ka nawawalan ng pag-asa.
pag-asa.
Dahil
Laban kung
bilog ang
laban.
bola. Diba?
Yes.
Keep on fighting hanggang makarating sa 25 ang kalaban.
Yeah.
That's what I like sa libero number 1 ng Davao del Norte. No? A young mind, a young child, but trying her best to play.
Yes,
Nakikita
yes,
ko yan
yes,
kahapon
yes,
pa.
Dig kung dig, dive kung dive.
Yeah.
Ano? Hahabulin talaga yung bola.
Take note ha, observe mo siya. Oh.
Mm.
Yun.
Inside. Share ko lang naman yung experience ko noong nag-champion ako sa Dabra at 2011, ma'am.
And you went to Palaro.
Yes. The score, decision set also between Davao City and Davnor.
Yeah.
The score of Davao City in the decision set was 18 and our score was 11.
Wow.
But still we managed to, yeah.
How did your players do the work?
Just do their task, their assignment in court, and also
The
always
prayer?
and also the prayer, and also the big factor of that time in our time is the strong service of my player.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
one of my players, you get my player,
That time?
Josh.
Ibang ano yun?
Ibang set yun.
Ibang
Nagpalaro
year
mo.
yun. Ibang year yun
Sige ka
naman.
kasi palaro ko.
Lagi, ibang year yun naman sila.
Iba yun sila.
Yes. Ano yun?
I remember,
Yung the young girl.
nag-post ka sa FB. Successful na ngayon, no?
Oo, ang dami sila. Yeah.
Now they are giving you gift. Di ba marami ka na
Yes,
natatanggap?
may ano naman, pa-surprise naman yung mga bata,
Yeah.
ma'am, di ba?
Di ba
Mayroong players ako na engineer na, may
Wow.
police, officials sa military. Halos lahat, parang isa or dalawa lang ang hindi na
Nakatapos
nakapagtapos
pa.
na.
Because
Ewan ko
you
ba,
are
may...
into farming or what?
Yung isa, the
Because
farming,
of the
yung isa,
discipline.
parang ayaw lang talaga
Aral.
magsulo. Sayang nga magaling, matalinong bata,
Oo.
pero walang interest na matapos yung
Pursue to college.
Yun lang ako.
Baka
Pero
sa-
yung iba naman,
Successful.
successful sila.
Kasi nakikita ko minsan sa ano mo, sa post mo sa FB.
Oo.
Dine out with my previous volleyball players. Oh my God.
No, di ba?
Sana lahat ng players ganyan nakakaalala sa coach.
Yes. Mayroon din naman kaming time na mag-banding, ma'am. Every year. Sabi ng iba, sir, kapag kahit kami may asawa na,
Wow, ikaw ninong.
hindi. Mag-ano pa rin tayo, magbabanding.
Ay, oo.
Ala,
Kasi ititrain mo na naman ang anak.
magala daw kami. May time talaga kami once a year. Na,
Media volleyball players before in Palaro.
na ngayon ay mga professional na. So, we have time to gather and
Okay.
get together.
Wow, sarap na no. So this is just an encouragement for those
Yeah.
teachers. If your head or your principal assigned you to train the children, the players, grab the opportunity because it's once in a lifetime.
Yes.
At marami pong susuporta sa inyo.
Tapos talagang mababait yung mga bata.
Kahit
May
mabait ang
utang na
coach.
loob. Naman. Pumunta na kami ng grupo kami. Pumunta na kami ng Surigao, nag-overnight kami sa Bacolin, ganon. We
Then,
stayed there overnight.
Score muna.
Score natin is 6-14. Then last year, pumunta naman kami nag-overnight na naman kami sa San Victor, Davao Oriental. Yes. At lahat niya na mayroon kaming
Sponsored by them.
hindi, mayroon kaming nalikom na money as we play, kasi sumasali kami sa competition.
Okay.
And also nag-o-officiate din naman kami. Sabi nila, sir, tayo ang mag-officiate magkasama. Then nakalikop kami ng 38,000 ata.
Wow.
Then, oo, for
Then
gala.
other sponsors donated
Yes, yes,
some
yes.
amount.
Yeah, yeah. Yung iba, yung mga professional, nagbigay ng pera, additional. And ako din, nag-abuno. Pero ano lang naman.
Then,
Sasakyan, libre na. Ano?
sa iyo, sponsored by iyo. Parang nakita ko yung post na yun.
Oo nga.
Baka na-vlog mo yata yun.
So enough na, dito na tayo sa laro, ma'am. So 8:15. Second set, 8:15. Oh, score, service ace. How about sa iyo, ma'am? Kumusta naman yung mga players mo dati?
My
Ano na
players
sila?
before, they are now in... Ay! The players that you borrowed from me, Josh. Misaya.
Misaya. Yeah.
He always
How's Josh?
remembered you, ano?
Yeah.
Cum laude.
Wow.
Graduate cum laude in Malayan University.
Malayan University, galing naman.
IT, engineering.
Engineering.
Player mo yun.
Yes! Hey, hi, Josh. Hi, Josh.
My son is not
Remember
my player
me?
because, yeah, Josh remembered you, Sir
Oh?
Lamsin. My son is not my player in my school because he is the player of Ateneo.
Ateneo di Davao. And was trained by Mr. Kilala ko ba yung nag-train na personal
Actually,
trainer?
Yeah. My son at the age of, I think, grade 4? Grade 4 or grade 5. He was trained by Jomar Layson, the trainer of this.
Ay, wow.
Yeah, but my son played for my school. He played for Ateneo. Ayun,
And
nasa Boston.
presently, he is
Presently, he's now in Australia, pursuing to be the one of the scientists of the Philippines.
Wow. Proud mommy.
Proud mommy.
Okay, back to the ball
Proud
game.
stage mother.
So the score is 10-15. Oh! Humahabol ang Davao. Uy!
Touch.
Ha?
Net touch.
Ay!
Net touch.
Sinong nangyari?
Net touch talaga. Talaga sila. Net touch.
Okay, laban Japan. May net touch.
Ingat
Net
mga
touch. May net touch
ang
daw.
mga audience. Net touch talaga. Ang sulit. Laban lang.
Arsenal. Ay. Huling-huli. Tacloban City. Alam mo ma'am, walang ulan pero may pumapayong sa court. Pinapayungan si Arsenal, di ba? Nakita mo yun?
Sulit.
Bigay mo na. Ay, want to play.
Biglang nga
Coming from
one.
jersey number 3. Yeah.
Instead na iset ang bola, tinapon sa kabilang court.
Easy lang, easy. Volleyball, easy ball. Garabla. Ay, pumasok pa.
What's the term for that? What can you say? Dalawang na black, tapos hindi naka-assist going to rescue the ball.
Oo, nakaambag kasi yung net.
Yeah.
Dahil sa net, tinulungan ang bola na
Yung factor na yun, yun ang sinasabing swerte.
swerte. Ma'am.
Swerte.
Gani, ma'am. Pak. To ara. Sige mo. Score is 18-12.
I can tell the movement kasi wala silang libero. So nagdalawang isip. There,
Yung
the
nasa gitna.
communication of the two, parang hindi nag-mind, nag-contact of mind because pareho silang naging, what's the term? Parang doubt sila to get the ball. Siya ba o ako ba? Parang gano'n.
Yung tinatawag nating duha-duha.
Yes, duwa-duwa. Doubtful.
Another service is.
Another service is.
Another duha-duha.
That gives a score of 13 for Davao del Norte and 18 for Davao Dorians.
Sana na lang, palagi na lang sila magduha-duha. Para may ano pa ba dito? May third set pa ba?
May meron kaya na Sir
Ang
Jess?
katangkad naman na.
Matangkad talaga ang Davao City. Look at the number 23. Can you please focus the server, number 23?
Number 23.
How, the height.
Oo, tangkad yan.
Tangkad.
Siguro parang 5'3 or 5'4 sa
Yan,
ano?
malamang. Ano pa
Oo.
kaya yung pag naging high school?
Pag
na,
high school
no?
na yan. Ay! Ay,
Yun.
save.
Nakuha ni Libero.
Nice save. Hulog. Oh. Ay! Ay!
Ay! Miscommunication again between Nepa and Libero. Hindi nagkaintindihan. Who's the setter ba? Saan ang setter? Setter nag-receive nun?
Setter ang nag-receive.
Ah,
So ang nasa isip ni Libero na siya ang magsiset.
Yeah.
Kaya lang andoon si Nepa.
Na-block ni
Na-block
Nepa
ni
ang
Nepa.
way niya.
Oo.
That's why the Libero was not able to
Another
set.
service. So score is 21-13. Parang malapit na ata yung
Dumaan na pala sa 19.
Oo, tapos na ang 19.
21-19.
Aklo. Ay!
Wow,
Sinuwerte naman, di ba? Pride of San Isidro.
feel ko parang our Davao del Norte Academy will invite Aklo to be one of their players. Dumating na bang opportunity and
Ay,
chances
di ko po alam sa ano.
sa parents?
Oo.
Parang nakikita ko na. The technical officials
Score is 20-40.
last three for
Last three for
Davao.
Davao.
Okay lang Davao at least lumaban.
Oo.
Umabot kayo ng fighting for champion.
Umabot
And
sa
that-
final.
Diba? Sa finals.
Okay na yan.
And that opportunity and chances very, very sobra talaga. Pinagpaguran nyo yan. Ay, congratulations sa inyo. For the effort,
Good.
for the determination, and for the courage to play sa court. Hindi nagagawa na ibang bata yan.
Opo. Nakita mo yung atake ni Aklo, ma'am? Hindi
Yes.
naman kalakasan, kaya lang magaling. Placement lang naman.
Kumbaga
Ganun
pa
lang.
eh.
Utakan
Sa
lang yan.
Bisaya, oh. Sa
Ano?
Maliba, Alcaner, tama ba?
Sa Maliba lang. Sa Maliba lang.
Sa Maliba lang. Na-scam pa. Yung parang
Na-scam.
ganun. Yung parang,
Ay, kasi sa volleyball, dapat i-outsmart mo naman yung mga
Smart.
opponent. Yeah. Outsmart mo sila para makuha mo yung score. Hindi
Ganun lang yung volleyball.
hindi mo makukuha sa palakasan, dadaanin mo naman sa diskarte.
Sa diskarte mo dadaanin ng volleyball.
Ayan.
Nakita mo how that player number 23 kneel down just to get the ball?
Yeah. Ayan, back row ni Aklo. Oh! Nakuha pa, pasok pa siya. O sige, ayan, kalsada.
Halo, kalsada.
Ayan. Oh! Away.
It's on the way.
O, diba?
4-4.
Alam mo, ang Davao del Norte sumusukol naman. Sumusukol.
Laban. Lumalaban talaga. Suko lang yun.
Sukol lang talaga.
Habang humihinga may pag-asa yan.
Oh, sukol ka lang. Huwag sumuko. Sumusukol yan.
Wala sa dugo ng Davao del Norte ang susuko.
Oh. Oh, may service ace. Ayan, pwede pa yan. Pwede pa yan. Guko ko rin.
Ano daw?
Ha? Mo decision.
There will be no decision.
Score
right
is-
now because one set.
What
one
score
by
is
Davao
23-17?
Del Norte.
23-17, yeah. Alam mo naman, makigukod naman yung ano eh.
Yan,
Oh.
laban ng Governor.
1-2. Ay!
Tingnan.
Championship match.
Habang may buhay, may pag-asa.
Yes.
May pag-asa habang humihinga.
Yes.
And do the prayer.
Yes. Mayroon pa. Kaya pa yan.
Kaya, parang hindi. No?
Hindi na.
17,
Kayang-kaya.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Malapit na oh.
23.
Malapit na. Mag-champion.
Malapit na 19.
Malapit na
17,
25.
18, 19, okay
Isang,
na ako sa number.
isang puntos na lang. Wala na, champion na.
Sana hindi na muna mag-point ang Davao City, no?
Oo.
Papuntang 19.
19.
Hi viewers of Davao City.
Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan
Ilang stars
lang.
na- Ilang stars na ba meron ka?
Wala,
Marami na.
walang stars.
Marami na.
Walang stars.
100. You have
View.
139,000 viewers.
Viewers, pero walang stars. Walang star.
Next time we will just add the Gcash, ha?
No. Bawal. Kasi ano yan, private yan. Ang GCash. Hindi pwedeng ano.
Bakit it's
Di public. No.
Oh my God!
Champion na ang Davao. Congratulations, Davao City. Congratulations, Davao City. Okay, Davnor. So good ugma. Mag-training na ta.
Davnor,
Congratulations.
there are still many chances.
Congratulations pa rin, Davnor.
Congratulations for a job well done. Hindi ka pa talaga panahon ngayon.
Nakaka-proud naman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're happy with the performance of our
Yes.
chikiting at a young age.
As Division Tournament Manager in Davao del Norte, I am so much happy and proud.
Yes.
I am very grateful.
Na
achievement
umabot
na
sila
umabot
sa
finals.
championship game sa finals.
Yes.
Diba?
Naman.
Pero iba talaga ang maging champion.
Champion, pabonus na lang.
But maybe, baka plano ni God at Davao del Norte will not really go for that because of the
Because
end.
of-
Dapat,
okay.
yung ganun yung ba yung mga plan ng God.
Yeah, oo.
Pero parents, do not, wag mawala ng pag-asa. Continue on sending your children for the practice.
Yes.
Shout out
Amen.
din tayo doon sa pinaka-youngest, Libero, Alexa. Yan si Alexa, number 10,
Number 10,
Cabahar.
Cabahar.
The daughter of Niti Cabahar, the
Ah.
youngest Libero of Davao del Norte.
How old is she? Is she?
9 years old.
Only 9 years old. Wow.
Yeah. Shout out to Alexa, number 10, Davnor.
Okay, congratulations. Next, championship, lalaki na po. Okay, charge ako gamay. Charge ako gamay para ano, si off muna para iba yun. Bye.
Parents,
Congrats.
Davao del